Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to understand the difference between cy.go and cy.reload in Cypress. These commands are very useful for browser navigation and many beginners get confused about the both. By the end of this video, you'll clearly know what cy.go does, what cy.reload does, and the real world use case. In real-time application, users usually click back and forward buttons and refresh the page and navigate between the screens. As a tester, we must verify that verifying the application is behaving correctly after the navigation or not, and the state is maintained or resetted properly or not. Cypress gives us cy.go and cy.reload for exactly this purpose. Let's start with cy.go. Let me write it here. cy.go is used to move through the browser history, just like the back and forward button in real browser. And you can specify the direction here. The common values which will go into this direction are, I have pasted it here, cy.back and forward. And instead of back and forward, you can also use go -1 and go +1. Go -1 means moving back. Go 1 means moving forward. So let's see this in action. I'm using this particular source demo website to demonstrate how this cy.go will work. So what I will do is I will refresh the page. I will grab this inspect tool and click on this particular view card button. I'll remove this dot, click, and then after navigating to that particular view card, I'll go back and check whether this particular product is been visible or not. Dot, click, sorry, should be visible, should be dot visible. I'll, for time being, I will comment down this 3. Let's see whether this test will pass or not. Okay, it has went to this particular shopping cart and then it has clicked on the back button and it has successfully validated that sauce lab backpack is been visible onto the home screen. Next, what I will do is I will try to use this forward button. I'll use this forward button and again I will be checking whether this particular, let me use a time travel. I'll click it here. Yeah, let me see whether this shopping cart button is been visible on this page or not. Dot should be visible. I'll use the same assertion here. Let me reload it. So this has successfully validated this particular continue shopping button is been visible onto this view cart page. So as I said, instead of back, you can also use -1 and here forward you can use 1. I will remove this and let's see whether this particular test case will be successfully passing or not. Yes, this has successfully validated these two assertions. So cy.go works with browser history, and it doesn't reload the page, and it is used to move backward and forward, and it is very useful for testing the navigation flows. Now let us talk about cy.reload. cy.reload. cy.reload refresh the current page just like pressing the browser button, browser refresh button. Syntax is very simple guys, cy.reload, and inside this you need to pass true. That's it. It is very simple to use. Let me save it. See, it has refreshed this particular page here. In the split of a second, it has refreshed it. Let me do it again. Yes, I hope you have saw that. So here, passing the true forces a reload from the server instead of catchy. cy.reload doesn't change the browser history. Remember this. Okay. And it is very useful for testing the refresh behavior of that particular changes. And it is used to expose the state management bugs. So, if at all you may get a question in the interview, like what is the difference between the cy.go and cy.reload? The best answer you can give is cy.go is used for browser navigation using history, whereas cy.reload refresh the current page without changing a history. The common mistakes the testers will make is using cy.reload and expecting the URL to change. Always remember guys, you are just reloading the page and you are not navigating back and forward and expect that URL will change. Using cy.go without the navigation history. When I'm giving you the demo, actually I have logged into that page and then clicked on to the view cart button, and then I have used cy.go. Always remember that without navigation history, cy.go will not work. In the real-time scenario also, whenever you visit the web page for the first time, you will not be able to click the back and forward buttons. Right. To summarize, cy.go is used for navigation, cy.reload is used for refresh. Both are very important in the real world testing. So if this video has helped you, please like the video and subscribe to my channel. And there are lots of videos on Cypress onto my playlist. Just go and check it out. And that's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Bye.